Okay, so today is lesson number 6 and it is about Dhamma. So the Dhamma looks like a tiny wow. Okay, you can match the letter wow with the Dhamma sound, so they both looks like same, right?
Correct.
Here you can see. See the Dhamma and the wow both looks like
Yes.
same. So we can say the Dhamma looks like a tiny wow.
Wow.
And the Dhamma always comes on the top of the letter. So whenever you have a tiny vowel comes on the top of any letter, we call that is Dhamma,
Damma.
and the sound of Dhamma is U.
Ooh.
Hmm. Okay, we denote the sign with the letter O in English.
Ooh.
Okay, this letter we can denote with the sound of Dhamma, U.
Oh.
Yes, O, but we pronounce it U.
Ooh. Okay.
Okay, next. This all other things are same. Like whenever any letter has Dhamma on it, so then we read the sound of that letter and the sign sounds, and then we add both sounds together. So that will be the original sound for that letter. And the last point is that whenever any letter has Dhamma, so we don't stretch that letter. We just read that letter within a 1 second.
Okay.
Okay. So, okay, first of all, read A'udhu Billah and Bismillah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay, now start from here.
Ooh. Boo. Boo.
Boo.
Boo. Do. Su. Who.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Do.
no, no, it's zoo.
Zoo.
Yes, here you said zoo, but that is do.
Sword. Sword. Dord. Do.
This one is dod with the sound, and this one is zo with
So that's
z.
sword.
Hmm.
Dord. That's
Hmm.
do.
Yes, it's dod, and then to zo zoo.
Zoo. Yeah.
Okay, and
So
one more thing is that in many countries, like especially in Asian countries, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, there are some people who read this letter as zal, zo.
that
They said it zo, so they pronounce the sound which you pronounced in the first time, like zoo,
zoo.
but that is incorrect. Okay, whenever you listen anybody who are reciting zoo or za or z, so that is reading incorrect. Okay,
So
this letter is purely dod, so it must be read like do if it has fatha da or kasra di.
understood. So it's read as the
Da, the bold letter.
the dot.
Mm.
Okay. And then who
Oh,
who kind 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 uh ga
sorry.
gu
Yes.
ku.
No, no, it's not cough. See, there is a one dot, round circle and a dot on it. Remember I told you.
This is a meme. No, it's not meme, sorry. This is a meme, right? The one in the bottom.
Mm, in the bottom, no.
Bottom right.
In this line, there is no meme. This
Oh,
is meme.
Okay. So this is Nun.
No, noon is this one.
This is this is Ka.
It's fa.
Fa.
Hmm.
Ah man. Fa always confuse me.
Hmm.
Always.
Hmm.
Always. Fa. Okay. Fu.
Oh, yes. Next.
And this is Qaf.
Hmm.
So Kuf.
Not kuf. It's
Ku.
just ku.
Ku.
Ah. Next.
This is Ka.
Hmm.
Ku.
Yes. Next.
La. Lu.
Hmm. Next.
Mu.
Hmm.
Nu.
Next.
Fu.
Ah. Did you say fu?
This is Fa.
No, no, no. Not fa. We just talk about this letter that the sign looks like same this letter.
Wow. So it's wow. Wu.
Okay. Next.
Is that correct? Wu?
Yes.
Okay. So where's Fa? Sorry.
Fa.
Yeah, where's Fa?
Fa was the previous one. This one. This one.
Yes, yes, yes.
It is
Fa.
fa with Damma.
Yeah, so Fu. Okay. And that is yeah.
Which one? This one?
No, this is another, is that wow?
No, no.
I know the next one that's Ain.
That is also not Ain.
Okay. Uh,
Actually, this letter I can tell you because this is the new shape you are learning here. This letter shape was different in the first lesson. Let me show you. Here you can see this is looks like that, but it this letter has another shape as well. So this is ha.
ha.
Okay, there are two types of ha. One is this one, and the second one is this one.
It's that one. Okay.
Okay, but the first one, this letter, we pronounce from our throat. Okay, so like a breath sound, ha.
Ha.
And this letter we pronounce with our chest voice, like little hard, like ha.
Ha.
This is the difference between ha and ha.
Yes.
Okay, and the ha has a different shape as well, which looks like this one. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, there are some more shape as well for this letter.
That's three,
Actually,
three.
this is
Oh,
something like you can say the fonts, like in different Quran, sometimes the company use different fonts, so you will see different shape for ha as well. So sometimes it will looks like that with two circles joined together, and we have some other shapes as well for this letter. In
okay.
future, inshallah ta'ala, when we learn about the half shapes, so we will talk about those shapes as well.
Okay. Ha. 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 And then this is the U, the next one. Is that correct?
Read one more time.
U.
Yahoo.
U.
Not ooh. If you say ooh, your breath is not coming out. Your breath also has to comes out from your mouth. Who?
Who.
Hmm. Getting?
Who.
Okay, next.
No, no. The one before that was who. And then this one, yeah.
This
This
one?
is no, no. So this is who. And then the next one is Hamza.
Yes.
So that's U
Yes. Can you tell me why?
because Hamza stays silent.
Yes, Hamza doesn't have a sound, so we just pronounce the sound of Dhamma, which is U.
U. Yeah.
Hmm. Next.
This is yeah, this is the this is this is yeah. Yeah.
Y-
You.
Yes, correct. Okay, so you understand all of these three signs, Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma.
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me how the Fatha looks like?
Fataha is a line on top.
Mhm. Yes, and what is the sound of Fatha?
Ah,
And where it will comes
on top.
on the top, right? And what is the sound of Kasra?
Kasra is E
E, and what is the
on the
uh,
bottom.
yes, how it will looks like?
A line on the bottom.
Hmm. Okay, and how the Dhamma looks like?
Dhamma is like wow.
Yes, and what is the sound of Dhamma?
Ooh.
Oh, now, brother, you know that we have joined all of these three signs into one group, and that group we named movement signs. What we call it?
Movement of science.
Movement signs. Okay,
Oh,
why? Because whenever any letter has any movement sign, so we make some voices for that letter, like we move the sounds of those letters. So that's why we will call these signs are movement signs. And whenever any letter has any movement sign on it, so then we call that letter is moved letter. For example, if Lam has Dhamma, so Dhamma is one of the movement sign and the Lam is the moved letter.
lam is a move letter. Dhamma is a movement sign because it move when you add it to a letter, it changes.
Yes, so the signs, the Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, these three signs we will call movement signs.
Copy.
Okay, and whenever any letter has any movement sign on it, so then we don't stretch that letter and we don't jerk that letter, means we don't read within a half second. We just read that letter for 1 second.
Understood.
Okay, so now it's time for the exercise. Let's
Yes.
start the exercise for this lesson. In this lesson, now you will see all of the previous signs as well, like Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma. And after that sign, we will start the new lesson.
Understood.
Okay, so start from here.
This is how do you do Jim? This is the first one is Jim with
Yes,
Dhamma. So it's
yes.
Ju fi la Ju Ju fi la
Yes. Ju'ila.
Ju wait, you said Juhila?
Ju'i.
Juhila.
Not khi. It's I.
Ju Juila.
Yes.
I thought it's fa. No, 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 it's not fa. Sorry, sorry. This is who who li li ra
Hmm.
zu ki ra.
Hmm.
Su, 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 e, la.
Excellent.
That one was hard. Okay. Next is this is sword. Do
Zoo.
zu li fa.
Mm. It's not fa. Fa always
So,
has a dot,
Li wa.
not Y as well.
Is that fa?
No, fa always has a dot.
No, no. I meant to say wow. Sorry. It's not wow.
No.
Okay, so it's not wow. Hmm. Zuli ha.
Zulima.
Zulima. And this is oh, oh. Is that letter? Is that letter? Zulima. Mu zi ha.
Uh, uh, za cannot be connect to the next letter.
Huh?
Za cannot connect to the next letter. This is connected with Ain. So how
Oh,
it can be za?
so it's mu bi mu bi ha mu
Hmm.
bi a.
See this, the dot of ba always comes in the bottom.
Yes, yes. This is sorry. Mu ti.
Muni, it's noon.
Mu ni a
Hmm.
because it's Hamza. And this one is this is not la. Oh, this is ru ru
Uh,
roof.
no,
Ru-
it's not raw.
It's not that either.
Hmm.
Oh, sorry.
That is
Do
the straight line which is connected to the next letter.
so it's la.
Correct.
Okay. Lu lu e ba.
Again, it's not ba.
Oh, sorry, ba is on the bottom. Ta. So it's lu he ta.
No, ta always have two dots on top. This is the same letter you read before.
Oh, lu e ma
Na.
na. And this is the oh, we were talking about this letter. We were talking about this letter. Uh, is it fu?
Who? Again, that's the same ha.
It's who. The last one is yeah, yeah. It's who, he,
Who?
u,
Di.
uriya,
Who di? It's dal. Who di ya.
udiya.
Yes. Okay, very good. Uh, Now, inshallah ta'ala, we will continue again from here in our next class. Okay.
Okay,
So I will send this picture to you so you can do more practice for this lesson before the next class.